Hi guys, a lot of people asking me, requesting me how to make a video on how to assemble the motorized stand that we have that I sell on iteracare.com. So when you receive the box, it should come with a stand. So this is the stand and another box with a motor in there. So first, what you need to do is to take out the this protective rubber right here, so to expose the thread. So what you could do, you have to stand it like on the floor or a table, that way it's sturdy, and then you can get the actual motor. So where you gonna install the screw is right here. Right here where this hole is. You don't need to take out anything, so keep everything, the quick release or the adjusting screw, and then just look for the female thread there, and then just put it there and then turn it clockwise, and that should hold that. And then you can turn this down, take this out, and you can put your character device here. This is not even so good. So you just push it in this holder right here, and then until it's right there, and then actually tighten it here, and then push it down, that way it tightens more. Okay, and then you can adjust it like that, and then just, this is to hold it where you want it to stay. So in this case, that, and then you just tighten it, there, and then it's gonna stay where you want it. Then you can adjust the height of this. You can put it on the floor, and then you could be on the bed. So these are all adjustable. And what's good thing about this new motorized stand is it has the remote. Well, actually, you have to miss the step there, and then after that's installed, you just need to attach the power cord right here. And I'm gonna plug it in, that way you can see. There. Okay. And to turn it on, there's a small what do you call this, switch there. You just push it in, and then it's gonna be turning. So the first setting is, that's like an acupuncture point setting, so that is only about, let me look here, this is like 1 to 2 degrees, and then you could set it to 5 degrees up to 90 degrees. But first you have to take out this insulating plastic to expose the connection of the battery to the remote. And then let's say you want to do 45 degrees, you hit 45 degrees, and it's going to be turning 45 degrees. If you want it longer, 90 degrees, it's going to be 90 degrees. And then what you could do is you could actually turn it where you want it pointing. It doesn't hurt the motor. Right there. Turn it off and just hit this, and it's shut up. Turn it on, and it goes back to the last setting you were using. So basically that's it. It's very simple, it's very convenient to use, and you could actually point it up like that, so you could do your shoulder, you know, increase the height, and then you could turn it, and it's going to be turning horizontally. and you want it vertically, you just turn it back. It's like so. So I hope this helps. Thank you. If you want to get your own motorized device, go to iteracare.com, or you can call me at 201-618-2663. And also I'm giving out free iteracare hats for all that orders a device through the New York stock. Thank you very much.